In this tutorial, you will learn how to create these bubble chart using two series of data. You can see here I have the data of Rawalpindi and Lahore, which are two different cities, and I have used three variables to plot each this series. You can see here that first column shows the year, which plot on x-axis, second column shows the pair sold, which is plotted on y-axis, and the revenue is shown by the area of these circles. So let's learn how to create these multi-series bubble chart using this data. You can see here I have pasted the data from previous sheet, and it is the data which is the two series. One is the Rawalpindi city and other is the Lahore city. So firstly I will select this data, go to insert tab, and in scatter option select bubble chart. You can select either 2D or 3D. I will select 3D. I will resize this area. Now go to this plus option and select axis option, axis title option. Now I will change the title of this graph, put equal sign here, and select this cell, click enter. Now go to home tab and change its color and font size. Now select this axis, put equal sign, and this axis shows the pair sold. So I will select this cell and click enter. Black color, bold, and 14. Now select this format painter option and click here. Now I will change this, put equal sign here, and it shows the year. Click enter. Now select these axes, y axis, and black color, bold, and 12. Now I will change the minimum values, so I will spare some space here. To finish this space, right click here, select data, right click again and go to format axis option and select minimum value as 100. Similarly, select this axis, select format painter, and click on here. It will automatically format this axis like this one. Second step is the click here, right click, and go to select data. Firstly, series 1, go to select this and go to edit option, and in series name right click on this cell, and in series X values, Y values, and bubble size already selected these three columns. Click on OK. Now go to this add option to add another series. Series name is Lahore. Series X value, select first column, which is year, and series Y value, select second column, which is the pair sold, and in series bubble size it is shown by the area of the bubble. Click on OK, and again OK. You can see here that two series are plotted here, and the third column which shows the revenue is shown by the area of the circle. You can see here that in 2014 there are 10,000 revenues, sir. This circle of area of circle is more as compared to this one or others. Now select this axis, and if you want to insert solid line and tick marks, right click, go select again, select this axis, right click and go to format axis, and in fill and line option go to fill option, and I want solid line here, so select solid line. You can change its width by using this option. I have selected 1.5. Now go to this series option, and in tick marks you can select tick marks outside. Now you can see here that the solid line is inserted here. You can follow similar steps for this axis. I will not repeat it again. Now I will format these bubbles. Select these bubbles. You can see here the whole series is selected now. Right click, go to format data series, and here you can control the bubble size. For example, I scale bubble size, it is currently 100, but I will change it to 80%. By doing so, the area will be reduced. Second option is the size. Either these size represent area of bubble or width of bubble. You can select these options. And if I go to this fill and line option, I will select solid fill, and red color is fine. You can adjust the transparency as well. In border, I will insert solid line, and color of the border black, and width 1 pt. Similarly, select other data series. You can see here all bubbles are selected. If you want to color individual circle, you will double click on it and you can change these colors. Solid fill, and I will change color to green. Solid line, one pt. Now if you want to insert data labels, select this one, click on this plus sign, and I want to remove grid line, so uncheck this. Secondly, I want to insert data labels, so I will check this option. You can see here that data labels are inserted, but this shows the pair sold. I want to insert the revenue value in circle, so I will edit this circle. Firstly, I will format this. I will select white color, bold, and 12. Similarly, I will select this format painter option to automatically format the other data series. Click on here. You can see here these are automatically formatted like this one. Now select this data series, right click, go to format data label. From here you can adjust its position. It is currently selected center, that is fine. Now I will use this value from cell option to insert these revenue value inside the circle as data label. So I will check this option, and a dialog box will be appeared which says that select data label range. I will select this one and click on OK. You can see here that the revenue as well as pair sold appeared here, so I will uncheck this Y value. Now you can see here only that the revenue value is displayed here. Similarly, select this data series, select value from cells, and follow similar step. Select revenue, click on OK, uncheck Y value, and the formatting of the graph is completed now. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.